Imagine Earth as a living gradient, from dripping green rainforests to near-silent polar deserts. Today we're speed-running natural vegetation, India and the world, the forests that define them, the groves we revere, and what happens when we cut the green lungs that keep our coasts alive. Start global, climate writes the script, vegetation performs it. Tropical evergreen rainforests, hot, wet, multi-layered canopies, year-round green. Amazon, Congo, Southeast Asia, tropical deciduous monsoon, wet dry seasons, trees shed in dry months. India, Myanmar, Brazil parts. Tropical thorn savanna, low rain, thorny trees, grasses. Sahel, Deccan interior. Mediterranean, dry summers, wet winters, sclerophyll shrubs, woods. Mediterranean basin, California, Chile. Temperate broadleaf, four seasons, mixed hardwoods. Eastern US, Europe, East Asia. Temperate conifer, cooler needle-leaved, Pacific Northwest, Southern Andes. Taiga boreal, subarctic conifers, Canada, Scandinavia, Russia, tundra, treeless, permafrost, moss lichen, Arctic fringe, alpine zones, montane altitudinal belts, vegetation changes with height, mangroves and littoral, salt-tolerant coastal forests, storm buffers. In India, the classic schema, moist tropical, dry tropical, montane subtropical, montane temperate, alpine plus littoral and swamp, unfolding from Kerala's rainforest to Ladakh's alpine cold deserts. Quick decoder for India by rainfall and region, your cut and keep for exams and edits. Tropical evergreen rain greater than 200 centimeters. Dense multi-story, trees up to approximately 60 m. Western Ghats, northeast, Andaman and Nicobar, pockets of Odisha. Key species, mahogany, rosewood, ebony, rubber. Tropical moist, deciduous 100-200 centimeters. Widespread monsoon forests. Sal, teak, shisham belts. Tropical dry deciduous about 75-150 centimeters. Transitional forests, think teak, axlewood, central northern peninsula swathes including Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, parts of Maharashtra, Odisha, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh foothills. Tropical thorn 25-75 centimeters, semi-arid scrub, West Rajasthan, rain shadow tracts. Montane forests and alpine, with elevation in Himalaya and Western Ghats. Conifers to alpine meadows. Sacred groves are community-protected forest patches, living temples to deities, spirits and ancestors. Found across India with significant numbers in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala and Rajasthan. They're biodiversity hotspots, water recharge pockets and cultural anchors. Many align with community reserve provisions under the Wildlife Protection Act. Subarctic versus Arctic. Learn the split in 30 seconds. Climate. Taiga has long, cold winters, brief, cool summers. Tundra is colder overall with very short summers. Soil. Taiga has acidic, seasonally frozen, no permafrost layer year-round. Tundra has permafrost that blocks deep roots. Vegetation. Taiga has coniferous forests, spruce, pine, fir. Tundra has no trees, mosses, lichens, dwarf shrubs, regions and fauna. Canada, Scandinavia, Russia, belt with moose, deer, wolves, grizzly, boreal owls. Arctic fringes of North America, Eurasia, Greenland with reindeer, caribou, Arctic fox, polar bear, seabirds. Rapid clarity on country cigarettes. Is Katha Catechu from Care used? Katha catechin is extracted from the heartwood of Care senegalia, Acacia catechu. It's widely used in pan. Exam keys also note its linkage to the Bidi ecosystem as a forest produce category. Are country cigarettes made from Tendu? Bidis country cigarettes are rolled in Tendu, Kendu leaves Diospyros melanoxylon. The leaf is the wrapper, tobacco is the filler. This underpins seasonal livelihoods across central India. Why not outright bans despite health harms? Governments typically regulate via taxes, warnings and restrictions because large informal employment, Tendu collections, processing and BD rolling, significant rural incomes, risk of illicit markets with prohibitions. Example, Tendu leaves generate massive person days for tribal communities and are a major NTFP economy. Status check, then a reality check. Latest national picture. Total forest and tree cover is about 827,357 SQ/km, 25.17% of India's area. Forest cover specifically is approximately 715,343 SQ/km, 21.76%. Tree cover is -3.41%, small net increase versus 2021. 19 states UTs now top 33% forest cover. Lakshadweep, Mizoram and ANN led by percentage. Ideal forest cover. India's long-stated policy aim is around 1/3, 33% of land under forests to maintain ecological balance. Islands magnify consequences. Andaman and Nicobar have extraordinarily high recorded forest share, tilde 82%. rich endemism and India's best mangrove quality by diversity and density. Cutting these forests risks biodiversity loss, coastal erosion, mangrove decline, freshwater stress, and cultural damage to indigenous communities. Large clearances, like those proposed in Great Nicobar, also heighten climate and seismic vulnerability on an already fragile, cyclone-prone coast. From rainforests that breathe rivers into the sky to tundra where roots fear ice, vegetation is climate's fingerprint. Guard the groves, get India to 33% and keep our islands standing green between storm and sea.